Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money in Etrade. So for adding money in Etrade, there are 5 options that you can use. Let me show you one by one. So first option is to transfer from a bank account or ACS transfer. So simply log in your Etrade account via website or mobile app. Navigate to the accounts, then transfer, and lastly transfer money. Select transfer from your bank and transfer to your Etrade account. Enter the amount and confirm the details. Funds usually take 1 to 3 business days to settle. So note that you need to link your bank account to Etrade first if it's not already connected. And the second method is wire transfer. Initiate a wire transfer from your bank by providing your Etrade account number and routing instructions. Wire transfer are usually completed on the same day but may come with fees from your account. Third option is mobile check deposit. So open Etrade mobile app to deposit check. Go to transfer, deposit check. Take a photo of front and back of check and confirm the amount. Check deposit may take up to 5 business days to clear. Fourth method is mailing a check. You can also mail a check directly to Etrade, including your account number on the check to avoid delays. Use Etrade mailing address provided on the platform. And the last and final option is trade from another brokerage. So just navigate to the transfer, external account and initiate a brokerage to brokerage transfer. This may take 5 to 10 days to complete. So that's how you can transfer or add money in Etrade. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.